Let's be real. Hiring a property manager can feel like just one more cost. And if you're a landlord, you've probably asked yourself, is it really worth it? And hey, that is a totally fair question. But here's the truth. The right property management company doesn't cost you money. They should help you make more money. So today, let's break down how professional management actually improves your return on investment, not just in theory, but in ways you'll feel every single month. Vacancies are one of the biggest drains on your rental income. Every week your property sits empty, that's lost cash that you're not getting back. It's about 8% month over month. A good property manager shortens that downtime with targeted marketing that helps get your listing in front of the right renters, streamlined showings and fast follow-up, strong tenant screening to avoid move-outs and problem renters. The result? Less time sitting empty, more time bringing in rent. Think you know what your property should rent for? Well, you might be underpricing it or overpricing it and pushing away good applicants. Professional property managers use local market data to price your property right, so you earn more without scaring off quality tenants. Let's talk about the stuff that keeps landlords up at night. Late rent, lease violations, evictions, fair housing laws, all of the changes all of the time. One small misstep and suddenly you're facing legal fees or worse. Professional managers are trained to handle all of it legally, quickly, and consistently. Fewer legal risks equals more stable income. And here's the part most people overlook. Your time is valuable. How much is it really costing you to take tenant calls at night, coordinate a plumber, chase unpaid rent, or Google your way through a lease issue? When you work with the right team, you're not just offloading tasks, you're buying back peace of mind. And at the end of the day, property management isn't just about convenience, it's about growth. The right partner helps your property perform better, stay occupied longer, and earn more without burning you out. So if you're on the fence, think about what it's costing you to not have that support. Thanks for watching. If you want to talk about how we help landlords increase ROI every day, we're just a message away. And if you like our content like this, pro tips, rental law updates, and ways to protect your investment, make sure to follow us on our YouTube channel and stay in the know.